Let me ask you something. Do you want to make money online, but don't know where to start? Don't want to show your face? Don't have fancy gear or a big budget? Then this is your new favorite channel. Welcome to AI Money Secrets, where I teach you how to turn free AI tools into real faceless income. No fluff, no hype, just step-by-step videos you can follow, even if you've never done this before. Here's what you'll learn on this channel. First, how to create and sell digital products with ChatGPT and Canva second. How to start a faceless YouTube channel that earns while you sleep third. How to build affiliate blogs and newsletters using AI only fourth. How to automate everything with tools like Pictory, Zapier, and Notion. And fifth, how to grow passive income in 2025 without showing your face, whether you're a student, a parent, a beginner, or someone just tired of your 9-to-5. I've got you covered. You won't need to buy expensive courses. You won't need to be a tech genius. You just need the right tools and a little guidance. And that's exactly what I give you every single week. So what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe right now, smash that like button if you believe in smarter income, and share this channel with someone who's ready to change their life. Let's turn AI into your money-making machine, one smart move at a time.